Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Let's just unpack Onosenzo Meyiwa's proceedings there, the trial in High Court in Pretoria. Hey, yabon dabama AVL. I just knew though. I was just like, oh by the way, I let it as they are. My AVL reports, it's impossible. Not to Baloy. Shady Baloy. Never, it will never happen. And that's exactly what happened. He didn't bring them. He was just like, Angina. And you know, we will never get them. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. So the so-called AVLs and concentrate on other things. That's just how it is. Because I'm getting, also this was manufactured and cooked and to a point where they don't know now what to give us. Yeah, no good. Abona State has done it all for us. Yonke show, nale movie abengapheli. The story esenganekwane that Baloyi explained asizwakali to a point where umnisi was just like, bra, please, can you just stop with that shenanigans? Please stop with that, because Advocate Charles Mnisi was telling the court to no, we never agreed on evidence led in court kusetshenziswa ama-affidavits. Asingesivumelani ngalokho because uBaloyi is reading someone else's affidavits that was penned by someone else. And the Advocate Mnisi is like, hey, bra. Mnisi is like, how is this going to work? Oksalai, ngiyawadinga lawo ma-AVLs. And it's actually for 4 cars. Ukhuluma nje story ayizwakali into kaBaloyi and ukhulume almost 10 minutes, but I don't know what he was saying. Cause baqamba manga. And you know how it's going to end up. It's going to be like, no, we couldn't find the AVLs, but the cars were there. They had AVLs. But where are the reports? That's exactly what Mnisi is arguing. We want them though. I don't care how you find them. But and you know why we can't get them also, guys, and you know. It's the whole thing, Yoguti. They are going to expose people and their lies. Because you are accused number 1 and 2. But explain it. This is why you're accused number 1 is like, I some AVLs, ngikhathele abantu babengishaya and punching me, bengenza all sorts of things, bengikahlela, bengifake plastic ekhanda, and then the cars will be stopped in some bushes or wherever, and ngizoshawa. And then he says in some still place at some stage, in some steel factory, it was just parked there and he was being shepherded by a lot of people. Guys. So he's like, no, you know why? Go back and get his that people are going to be exposed. And even now you can tell, I mean, these people are cooking and they are lying. I thought, okay, you remember I did a video last week to say, they will cook them. But they don't have them. Advocate Baloyi is like, no, actually, we don't have them. So guys, I'm just like, and then what? Mnisi is like, no, I don't care. Give a phone. Because then abantu actually written the affidavits must come.
Can we also have the AVLs from Pretoria to Kanongoma where Uzungu was escorted? Ngoba usabela impilo yakhe bani after thathi abantu wabafake ejele abangenzanga next together with ubaba Absalom and Brigadier Gininda. So can we have those AVLs as well? Now that uBaloyi doesn't have a case, uzama noma ngabe yiphi indlela to keep on standing, and uBaloyi is actually done. I've been saying ukuthi wamhlelela amahlathi. Manje uvele waletha ama-affidavits, what's now ama-affidavits, take it or leave it, I actually don't care, but this is what we're going to use, akoma AVLs. Really? Hayi bo, uBaloyi must just stop it, honestly.
Guys, today uRatha ubedelela abantu ecourt, angazi judge president ithini, and ukuthi there's another plea futhi again, actually it came out yesterday ukuthi fanele asuswe uRatha, guys. Abantu they not happy with uRatha. Namhlanje uyanqapha ke. Guys, umuphi nje umuntu onganqapha ecourt? When he couldn't have his way, Mnisi was like left speechless, like ayibopha. How can unqapha ecourt? Ukubona. Like, why would you do that? Because he couldn't have his way ngendaba zikaGininda. Obviously, I mean, it's funny labo Gininda.
Yamazi kuBrigadier naye when he wants to over-explain himself. And at times it's really, really unnecessary. Sebexabana Brigadier, please.
wathi enenje please Brigadier Imancane, I will give you a chance to speak. Yo, abona nje kule court manje sekuyihlakanisuki serious. People they just don't get each other. Yeah, so they were just nje fighting Brigadier, but Brigadier please stop talking over me. Ngicela ungilinde ngize ngiqeda, I'm not even finished. Usuyangenelela uRatha naye ubhizi uyafakaza. Have you noticed ukuthi manje all of a sudden every time mangabe umbuzo imibuzo uBrigadier Gininda, he doesn't answer, he'll be like I've already explained that. Angithi ku-trial within a trial uconcentrate lapho, and we're not there now, we're on the main trial, and uzobe kutshela, you know why? Because he feels like uzobanjwa ukuthi, because there's a chance ukuthi now that we're on the main trial uzo-rephrase i-question hayi ngale ndlela yisho ngayo ku-trial, and then it's gonna be looked at ngathi unamanga, kanti vele unamanga ne. But now uvela athi I've already explained that and I'm done, and I'm not gonna repeat myself ngoba usaba uthi kunje ngangithenga ku-trial within the trial and then ngizovele ngibanjwe. Yabona ukuthi it's gonna become a problem because vele most of his things vele are lies, and then if you had explained it in a certain way, we trial within a trial, and then now you're gonna say it in another way, and it looks like man you are rephrasing it, and then we're like, bra, that's not what you said. And umnisi, I think usembonile uyambona, you can see him, you can see right through him. Good law, kizombamba nalamangaki. Even the story Sabitelezi brothers, knowing accused number 1, those are lies that you've never seen. I know accused number 1 and 2, guys, they've done stuff together where like it's just like, okay, then that needs to stop with these lies. Oh my gosh. You know, accused number 1 was looking at him again today ngalela mehlu lawana ukuthi bra wake wasifaka nje into esingazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Nalento leyo ukuthi accused number 1 did confess ukuthi uyabazi vele uButhelezi brothers. Oh, it's like he said it kusho uGininda thiwa baconfessa ku-Colonel Mboto. Hey, uColonel Mboto ngimbona eze court, guys. Hey, yabo nje umnisi akasadlala uvela athi ngize ngicela umuntu, I don't want affidavits, I don't want anything, I want people to come in person. Now I'm done, I'm tired. Kodwa guys, I mean uGininda will never agree to ukuthi wayeshawa accused number 1 ekhahlelwa efaka amaplastiki emakhanda. You'll never say yes I did that. Enomukhano nomuhula babezenza lezo zinto lo to accused number 1. Yeah, but you never agree, obviously. I mean uzobe kutshela ukuthi uColonel Mboto will never allow that. Like honestly, ufanele afayele uColonel Mboto wabantu, and umnisi uzo end up imbizi. Watch.